Majita, welcome back to the channel, Bafetu. Kamala Museko. This is Football SA, Bafetu. Some transfer news, Bafetu. It's their time, July. Ebohile Mofukeng. I'm sure Ngumusboni stories Kamofukeng, Bafetu. I know the details as the extra ezinja on the stories Kamofukeng. Also, Ozone Apolis report. And also Sundowns for a central midfielder as a Brazil. Eyokuqala nguMofokeng Bafethu. Le kaMofokeng ebidominate uMzansi wonke. Oko ishayela esi story since last night till ngoku it's afternoon ngoku, and I think sizoshayela for the next few days actually. So what I found Bafethu, I'm sure nivile ngos story in case uphansi kwebhedi ke mfethu okuphansi kwebhedi. Mofokeng Bafethu to Orlando Pirates if mene a club to club agreement ne Giants zase Belgium EUSG. Mofokeng Bafethu uzosuka straight from the World Cup aye eBelgium ayokwenza i-medical test yakhe agqibe asayine for le team Bafethu. I-transfer fee ayikaphumi. Le same team Bafethu, i-team eyaziwayo apha e-SA Bafethu. Uyamkhumbula uPercy Tau sesokudlala eBelgium. Waye on loan eBelgium uTau before ayeke iBrighton. iBrighton yamsayina from i-Sundowns mos nge-record fee. Qoba yamlona straight to Belgium wadlala phaa ke-USG. Phaa ke-USG uTau waba yi-player of the season, washayina grand umjida phaa. I think that's why le team angakhange ilibale South African talent, South African attacking midfield talent Bafethu. So into extra endiyifindeleyo Bafethu about le team inikisa umdlanyanyana le team aya kuyo uMofokeng Bafethu. Before ndize kule team Bafethu ndichaza uba intoni enikisa umdlanyana le team. Injonge le report kaMofokeng, like sijonge i-close report ba ithini kanye. Ithi le report from uDavid van der Broek. Oqala van der Broek, a Belgian football journalist writing for Nieuwsblad and Gazette van der Antwerp. So verified umjita sure. So uthi umjita report yakhe in his exact words. And I think yonke South Africa ilandele isi story after this. Ile out iqale ubreak isi story. Ngeke ngokwezinye outlets of South Africa they break. Ithi USG is close to signing a World Cup player. Relebohile Mofokeng, age 21, South Africa's number 10. The pocket player from Orlando Pirates, 1.68 meters tall, will travel from the US to Belgium to finalize the deal. Nanso report yakhona, and then istory sakhona sa blow up eMzansi ke ngosavutha. Ekade ishayela eBelgium le club ne, and then ke ngoku yarelegate and then yahlala ke lower divisions for 48 years jo. Then babuya ngo-23-24 kanye ngo-21-22, but uTau ndiyakhumbula uTau amajita wawanyusa. In fact uTau waba i-player of the season phaa washaya i-goals. La majita awina i-league abuyela ki-pro division, ki-top division yase-Belgium. And then that last season Bafethu, before iphele last season, can you believe le team awina i-Belgian pro division Bafethu, babazi-league champions zase-Belgium Bafethu. From upromotwa 3-4 seasons ago la majita awina i-league eBelgium. And Belgium football winner league ahead of top dogs apha, top teams apha, Anderlecht, Club Brugge, Genk, plus ne Antwerp. A winner league la machite. So what a team, and next season bazodlala phi UEFA Champions League as champions ase Belgium. Le team twa specializer ngewe bathi Moneyball ka beyibiza le club Bafethu iownwa out yase England uTony Bloom, and then sethwa uspanisa elite data recruitment model abayisipanisayo, and then bafumana i-players Bafethu ezine-potential from Africa, and then bazidevelop further, then amajita bazithengise to bigger leagues, bigger clubs e-Europe Bafethu. Last season alone bebethengise 5 players amajita, so apha kule team iyawina i-league. So Mofokeng, if you succeed apha siyambona obviously uzothatha the same path. So there we go really, it's a matter of a final announcement after a medical test yakhe. The next few days, when the next few hours, depending mafana izo flyer out nini e-USA kwenye Mexico apho bakhoyo. And then the next story Bafethu is Ozone Apolis. Ndifuna address nje leyo ka-Apolis Bafethu. This is izinto esineke sijongile all the time is especially apha football SA Bafethu. As I've always said apha, if kudala walandela le show Bafethu, le channel i-fake news sizishaya nge-magnifying glass Bafethu apha. Ndibone apha bayise abantu ubone bathetha ngewe hey Apolis to FC Porto offering Pirates i-4 million euros. I-4 million euros i-74 million. And then come okay, let report isuka apha okay nayo hey xa sithi hayi man i-page lena ebhale inorada ithi Radada Liga, and then flag yase Portugal, okay, and then xa uyijonga Man, I couldn't verification apha kule way from ulawe X, and le page le only like 728 followers. That chance is man ngamavovo la. And then but okay, FC Porto in advances for Ozuna the Dragons, nicknamed Porto, have submitted a bid of around 4 million euros to Orlando Pirates. The South African club has already accepted the offer. According to sources close to the process, the winger could head to Portugal as early as this summer. Very exciting, whatever you are for South African public, ne fans of Pirates. But as we are this is took out for Bafit because of the account and verified lena. So Bafit if ubone indaba zika police Bafit ungabelieve kakhulu ngale way until another verified source reports on this Bafit, and then this is a kholelwa ke. Otherwise at this point Bafit uyirabishe le report ka police. But still sisalindile into ka police makaye eEurope naye Bafit, because he was personally the best player South Africa last season Bafethu. If you've been following the channel kudala ndatsho and I explain kakuhle futhi ba Police kutheni be best player South Africa last season Bafethu. Never mind but okay what happened World Cup. By the way, World Cup, Police did not flop as much as people said. Police ibemele South Africa yet bafana kula match eCzechia. Binguye yedwa performer umjita pha kula match eCzechia. Kula match ka 1-1 Police besimele pha amajita onke ePap. Ke match eMexico ka performer uMbokazi qha. And then Umbokazi performer ke match zonke phofu so wazumbali yena. Police yaba nguye qha performer ke match eCzechia. And then ke match eCanada Police was poor until late in the game. Police again wavele washine ubonakala umjita. If you wayibukela match uzoyazi banithetha ngantoni Bafethu. And besides clubs Bafethu don't read too much on what happened ki World Cup. Clubs ezikwaziyo ukwenza proper signings ne recruitment. Ki World Cup you can't make a decision based on 3 games World Cup and 4 games World Cup. International football also is way different. Club mostly now you can't really sign out. So they're gonna look at what you did for your club. Ozuna Police, I think it's a matter of time but Police naye sizobona report verified announcement ne verification but okay Police uyaphi but le FC Porto ayelaqazisa le, not a reliable source. The next story Bafethu iphumayo vandag zininzi top stories. Mamelodi Sundowns, surprise bafuna signer a South American midfielder from Esperance, Brazilian umchita Yan Sase udlalela Esperance Tunisia. When you think of Esperance you are thinking about okay coach Miguel Cardoso was coach apart before his Sundowns. Cardoso umachita twale player sesuka uyicoach so uyazi grand. In terms of midfielders, is advanced midfielder, attacking midfielder, because umchita can also play as a right winger and a left winger, very attacking, goal scoring, creating chances, very dangerous, any Brazilian. And Sundowns Bafethu, yeah, Sundowns if twice Sundowns yeah negotiator, yeah approacher for the player. Lo player is ongene back in Bafethu. So bona announcement ka Sundowns ayifani yenze moves kube ngayitholi player. Le player iyazi like Sundowns. But yona way ngatinikisa umdla kule wing, phofu ngatinikisa umdla like for a change Sundowns ayizokwenza transfer fee le player i-contract yayo ne-Esperance yaphela ngoku nge-30 kaJune namhlanje. So le player Sundowns ayizoyibhatalela iza negotiate qha i-signing on fee plus ne-salary yakhe plus ne-personal terms. Otherwise Sundowns ayizukuba na conversation at all ne-Esperance. Kwenzeka loo nto ke i-club Bafethu i-player xa kuphela i-contract, negotiation only happens between the buying club and the player and the agent. Kwenzeka loo nto ki-free deal Bafethu bathethe ke ngoku ngabo. Otherwise club to club Esperance i-out iyayiluza le player on a free deal. So ndizabe ndifollowisha esa story and also find out more information about the player, the more isikhathi sivayo, especially Sundowns if announcer umchita. Nazi wenza vandag Bafethu Relebohile Mofokeng, his new club enikisa umdlanyanyana udlala i-Champions League UEFA. And then Ozuna Police asikho sa story Bafethu ayikho lando okwangoku. And then Sundowns signing Brazilian midfielder from Esperance Bafethu uYan Sase. That's it for namhlanje Bafethu. Ngicela ngale support the channel ngo like okanye ngo subscribe. Mocha Bafethu.